guys, this is Aurora against Thor. We're going to have this bag. I have no idea what's going to be in here. And this is from ToysRUs, so let's see what's going inside. I'm so excited. Whoa! To the infinity! Whoa! To the infinities! Cool! Sweet. So this is for my Xbox One, and you can get this guy with the bandana, the bad guy, Nick Fury, Captain America, Hawkeye, Hulk, Venom, Groot, Star-Lord, Spider-Man, Thor, Iron Man, Black Widow, Iron Man, and Thor. So let's open this up. This is a play piece. And this is Thor, and he looks like he's gonna throw his hammer. I was like, yeah, let's get those bad guys. Yeah, yeah. And I was like, you're right, Blackwell. Psh, psh. And this is a play piece. And this is Thor, and he's like the same thing as this. And he's going to the galaxy. And Thor look at somebody, and he's gonna throw the hammer. Which this Thor looks like the same thing. Here's the base, and this is plugged in here. So you can plug in your TV, and then you can play the game. So this is a shape, and these are circles and are circles. So you can put these on, like Thor and Iron Man, and you can put this on, and then you can just play the game. Let's open this up. Let's see who we could get. I'm so excited to see who we could get. Looks like this is a poster. Look. And you can get look at all these. You can get honey lemon, and I really want Big Mac in here. Whoa. So, oh, and there's also Wicked Wealth, and might be for Christmas, Donald Duck, some Guardians of the Galaxy, and all of these. So that's pretty cool. Well, my favorite today was Iron Man because he shoots out and he has his chest plate, and I really like his suit. And he's still like he's about to fall. What's your favorite? Comment below.